Hello, Backdrop Build. This is Roland from Latvia with Nur AI, the documentation system that recovers its knowledge gaps as organically as a ray of light. It's an AI solution that integrates with the latest LLMs in the market and your documentation and chat, and interacts with your employees, answers their questions or your customers, and identifies questions that it doesn't have the knowledge for in the documentation and tries to recover that documentation in a chat format with the minimum amount of effort, providing a gamification framework to incentivize collecting that knowledge. It's a solution that is open source. After cloning the repository, what you need to do is start 3 simple scripts. You can use the management console to load documentation from your documentation source. The Slack application will start listening on the channels that you invite the bot to in your chat application. It will receive your users' questions. It will answer them with a summary, and then a comprehensive answer, and then a technical trace. The technical trace will include clear references from which documents it got what part of the answer. If you've had a conversation that wasn't in your documentation and you answered it in the chat, it will be the last time you'll have to answer it yourself. All you have to do is bookmark it, and the bot will be able to answer it in the future. When you ask Nur a question that it doesn't have the knowledge to answer from your knowledge base, it will keep track of all those questions. Eventually, you can send Nur a private message requesting that it identifies the knowledge gaps related to a certain domain. What it will do is it will go consolidate those questions in a set of questions that will help it build that knowledge, and it will post it on a channel of your choice. It will tag the users who asked those questions in the past and request from them to either answer those questions or tag people who might be able to answer those questions. This way, your users would have that conversation, get that question answered, and when they're done, they select that the answer is complete. And then the bot will take that knowledge and formulate a document from it. And it will always be able to answer questions related to this knowledge in the future. Any user who asked Nur a question will get points as a seeker. Any user who asked the question to Nur that resulted in a knowledge gap recovery, like we've seen, will get points as a revealer. And any user who helped provide answers to questions that recover knowledge gaps will be getting points as a luminary.